Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking survival if you want challenge, otherwise creative for experimentation. Grab a starter ship or spawn near a minimal base and prioritize a welder, grinder, and assembler. Once done, secure oxygen and power, fit batteries, add a small reactor or panels, and verify hydrogen tanks. You do this because without oxygen and steady power, you cannot operate tools or thrusters. Make sure to assign hotkeys for quick tool swap. This speeds repair and construction in tense moments. Once your basic ship runs, focus on stability and automation. You reinforce the hull, add gyros and both hydrogen and atmospheric thrusters so maneuvering is predictable. This prevents loss during combat or docking. Next, route conveyors, program assemblers with blueprints, and set up sorter logic so materials flow without micromanagement. You should also extend sensor and antenna ranges and install connectors or a jump drive for scalable logistics. Make adjustments iteratively. Test each subsystem after changes to avoid cascading failures. You finish by preparing for encounters and continuous operation. Equip defensive turrets, rockets, and programmable weapon scripts, then run a live gunnery test to tune targeting and power consumption. Once satisfied, lock in efficient logistics. Ensure ore moves to the refinery, refined ingots feed assemblers, and cargo space is balanced. If something goes wrong, first inspect your power network, gyros, and conveyor connectivity, then verify antenna and connector alignment. Fixing one of those usually restores function quickly so you can get back to building.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.